Hello, if you want to create an HTML template for your business, if you have a agency business or a studio, you can have this template from link below video by $5. It's created responsive for all devices. First you will find you can change texts and also have a video background. Can play a video background from this button by click on it. Also you have services section and have our team section. It's created the slider. Also testimonials for clients reviews and partners, and contact us form. And you have this creative menu. When you hover on the link, it changes background image, and when you click, it's go to the section. It's saved only by $5 from link below video. Thank you.